Hey, welcome to my 1977 Chevy El Camino. It was bought, no title, no registration. Got the registration through Vermont, then titled in New Jersey. It had a fire back here. I think one of the spark plug wires lit. Basically burnt a lot of the stuff here, as you can see. So now there's new distributors, new wires, it's running. Yeah. So we're gonna get started today. We're starting with the floor pans. So as you can see, I've got the seat folded forward already, and it's disintegrating more and more every time I touch it, but there you go. And it only gets worse. So that's over there. See, we got some issues over there too. Let's look up here. This is where it gets really funny. Nice foot warmer over there. And yeah, the driver's side's the only side that's still up. I don't know how this seat's really held in, to be honest with you. It's like just barely existing on the floor in this here. But let's get these carpets out, get the seat out, and start with the floor pans. Alright, so I tried the best I could to film taking the seats out. Started ripping up the carpets when my roommates were here, and just look at this. Bro, there's like more carpet than floor down here. That is the floor. Holy shit. Can't believe oh god. I put stuff over here before and none of it fell through the floor. I guess I consider myself fucking lucky as anything. Oh my god. Oh lord. Alright. Yeah. At least this one I could do. Oh god. Oh, free lugging up. And this is what the color of the carpet originally was, so that's what I'm gonna order from, is take a sample of this. There we go. Take it inside to order it. Roommates did compliment the wheels, but let's keep tearing this thing up. So I got the seat belts out and started tearing up the carpet a little bit. Thank God the front here isn't too bad. It's just this one spot that was visible. And the seat mounts were good on both sides. It looks like the seat belt is just barely hanging on. Oh, there's so much crap in there. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. The only part that looks like it's out of the patch area that I have is here. Maybe, oh crap, I just put my hand in fiberglass. Maybe a touch there, and back there, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. And then up in that corner. But I'm gonna start with this one because this one, the panel I have fits, and I feel like it's a good one to learn on. I'm just gonna check underneath, make sure I'm not gonna cut through anything. All right, we got the rust finder. It's pretty good here. Oh. Ooh.